Hello friends, all animal and beautiful animal, very amazing animal and most beautiful animal friends, very beautiful animal friends. So let's put them all in our basket. Wow friends, this is a basket, very beautiful basket. Friends, wow, these are all full of mud, but we will wash them. Wow friends, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow. Ho! Wow, friends! Very beautiful animal. Very amazing animal. Friends, all animal full mud. Wow, friends! Very beautiful animal. Wow! Friends! All animal, very beautiful animal. Wow, friends! All animal full mud. Wow, friends, all animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. So all friends, come quickly, very amazing animal. Wow, wow, friends, very clean water. Wow, friends, all animals. So let's wash them and see which animal they are. Wow, friends, very clean. This is a lion, very dangerous. Dangerous animal, very amazing animal. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, friends, very clean. This is a tiger. Tiger, very dangerous animal. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, very clean. This is a rhinoceros, very beautiful animal. Friends, what is this, friends? Wow, friends, this is an antelope. Oh, very beautiful antelope, very amazing. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? I think. Wow, friends, this is an elephant. Very beautiful elephant, very amazing, very beautiful. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, this is a cow. This is a domestic animal. Very beautiful animal. Friends, what is this, friends? I think. Wow, friends, very clean. This is a bear, very beautiful bear, very amazing bear. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, this is a giraffe. Very beautiful giraffe, very amazing. Friends, full mud, friends. What is this, friends? Wow, friends, this is a cox, very beautiful cox. Cox, very amazing cox. Wow, guys, very clean. This is a camel, very beautiful. Beautiful camel, very amazing. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, this is a duck, very beautiful. Beautiful duck, very amazing. Hey, hey, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, friends, very clean. This is a horse.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to.
Horse, very beautiful horse, very beautiful animal. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a hippopotamus, very.
That's the hippo in the water. Look, it's moving. Look, look, look. The hippo's moving. See the hippo's moving? Over there, by all the fish.
Beautiful animal. Hey, hey, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a police truck, very beautiful police truck, very amazing. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a leopard, very dangerous animal. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, this is a deer, very very beautiful deer, very amazing animal. Hey, hey, guys, last animal, what is this, friends? Wow, friends, this is a zebra, very very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow, friends, all animal, very beautiful animal, very beautiful animal. Friends, today we seem to have got some good animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow.